Bismillah. For today's video, I'm gonna demonstrate or I'm gonna teach you on how to make this router, STC router, Ecolife HG532B. I'm going to make this router as access point or extender. No, so this is my main router. My SSP or internet service provider. My internet connection is from here. This is my main router. So I'm going to make this access point or as extender router in order for us to connect with the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. First step, we're going to identify the IP address of this main router. Okay. Now, open your computer. Right click start menu, then click run, then type cmd, then enter. Now make sure that you are connected with your main router. After that, type IP config. So this is now the default gateway of my router. Okay, and this is now the IP address given to this particular computer. 192.168.8.128, and the default gateway of my is ISP provider or the main router is 192.168.8.1. Okay. So the second step is we're going to reset the main router. Now this is the specs of my router. STC Ecolife HG532B. Okay. So we are going to reset this one. As you can see, this one. There's a hole. There's a hole here near or beside the switch, router switch. Okay. We're going to reset this one to the default settings or factory settings. So you can find in a paper clip. So in my case, I'm going to use this one in order to reset the router. So make sure that you are connected. Your router is connected with the or there's power. So switch on. So I'm going to switch on my router now. And some other lights. Okay, now on. Okay, just press this this small hole here. Okay, then see the light. Press a minute until this light is fade away or disappear. Okay, press and pause. If the light is disappear, meaning the reset function is effective. Okay, now as you can see. So still press the reset button. Until the router is lighted. at least 1 minute. Okay, actually resetted. So type IP config again, IP config. So as we can see now, you can see the default gateway of this router, 192.168.1.1. It is their default gateway. So meaning we can access this router, the virtual program of this router, by using 192.168.1.1. Okay. So what we need to do now is open your browser, Internet Explorer, or in my case is Google Chrome. Now type here in the search bar 192.168.1.1. Then press enter. We see the STC program. So in the username, just type admin small letter all, username admin, and the password is admin, all is small letter. Then click login here. Okay, login. So as you can see, the STC router window is open. So what we need to do now, as what I told you before, that we have to take the main IP address of our main router. So as you remember, we have 192.168.8.1. This is the default gateway of our main router, our internet service provider. Now, the next step, in order to make this one as access point, and the fourth step is we're going to configure this router in order for us to make this router as access point. What we need to do is go to advanced, this left side. Okay. Now, okay. So now from wireless LAN, we can see here wireless LAN, wireless filtering, and DHCP. This is the three option from the LAN menu. And we are going to proceed to this DHCP. So this is our default DHCP server IP address. This is the default gateway. This is our LAN IP address. So what we need to do is we are going to enter the IP address from this main router as our internet service provider. So the internet we're going to put, assuming, is 192.168.10. Okay, we take 10 from the rest one because this one router is 1.1. The default gateway of this main router is 192.168.8.0.1. So we're going to take IP address 192.168.1. Mean 192.168.10. We take 10 IP address from this main router, okay, and make sure to disable the DHCP server because this router is not main server, but this is the access point. So we're going to disable this server, just uncheck the enable. As we can see, the start IP address is begin with 192.168.168.8.11. Okay, and the ending IP address is 192.168.8.254. And our IP address, LAN IP address 192.168.1 with subnet mask 255.245.255.0. This is the default subnet mask. So this is the final steps in order for us to access, or in order for us to make this access point. Now we're going to click this submit to take effect the settings. Bismillah. Okay, then after that, also submit this downside. Okay, so now what we need to do is we're going to connect this router to our main router. This line is from my main router. Okay, so we're going to connect this one to the port number 1. Port number 1. Okay, this is from the internet. This one is the port number 2 is to direct to the computer. Now we can see if we have internet or we are already connected to the internet. Okay. Now we have to restart our router. Now we turn on and out. Okay. So this one is from port number 2 from our STC router. It's our access point. Now, as we can see to our computer, now, here, now, as we can see now, internet access. Now, if we can see our network, open your network. As we can see here, now, connected. Send and receive. Okay, so there was internet. Now we check. Check Google. No, so alhamdulillah, guys, our access point is working. Okay. And working now. Okay. So for you to show if this is really from my router, so this one. Okay. This one is from port number 2. Okay. And this line is direct to the main router. Okay. So simply as that, guys, on how to make this HTC router H.G50 to be as access point. So as you can see, it's very successful on how to make it as access point. Okay, so thank you guys for watching on this simple tutorial, and hope that this video help you, and please consider subscribing on my channel